equation na, meaning dalawang property na i-apply natin. Step number 1, use the property muna ha. So using the property of equality, step number 1, we need to eliminate the value of b. Ano po ba yung value ng b dito? 2. So to eliminate 2, get the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 2? Okay, meaning subtract both sides of the equation by negative 2 para makancel siya. So nag-subtract tayo, pasok si subtraction property of equality. So natanggal na po ito. Anong natira sa left side? 2x. And then 16 minus 2, 14. Then after that, how to eliminate the numerical coefficient of x? Divide both sides by what number? Very good, by 2. Pasok na po ulit si division property of equality. Then, cancel na yan. Bring down x, 14 divided by 2. Okay, therefore the answer is 7. Checking. Check natin kung tama. Palitan natin si x ng 7. 2 times 7 plus 2 is equal to 16. 2 times 7, 14 plus 2, 16 is equal to 16. Yes, so therefore the value of x is correct. Kailangan, kapag equal yung checking mo, ibig sabihin, tama po ang ating x. So this time, gamitin naman natin anak si transposition method or what we call the shortcut. Okay, same pa rin tayo ng given para makita lang natin yung difference. Kung ano yung mas madali natin pwedeng i-apply. We have 2x plus 2 is equal to 16. Step number 1, combine the like terms. Oh, what are the like terms? 2 and 16. So what we're going to do? We're going to move what number? 2 going to the right side. So what will be the sign of 2 na? Magiging negative. So si 2x hindi ginalaw, bring down. Si 16, ganun din po. Magiging negative na si 2. Then after that, 16 minus 2, 14. Then divide both side by 2. Cancel. 14 divided by 2. Okay. So equal lang ba? Oh, mas mabilis ito. Tama?